Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to create a powerful and flexible rich text section for our Shopify store. This section will allow you to easily add text content, titles, and even a button with a link to other pages. And all this is styled with the Tailwind CSS for modern and responsive design. So let's get started. Let's open our code editor, and in this section select this rich text.liquid file. As you can see, I have already created the basic schema setting for this section. So you are already familiar with the blocks and these kind of settings, so I'm not gonna waste time to do each and every setting here. So before moving to the code, let's add some more settings for our section. First of all, let's add option to choose color, the font color for our title and text content. Then we are going to use the option to increase or decrease the title font size. Okay, then let's add option for the padding. Okay, for that let's go to our featured collection, and you can see in the setting we have these two settings. Let's copy this and paste that here. Let's add one more option to choose between primary and secondary button. So I think we are good to go with this. Let's save that. So let's copy the CSS, the style section from featured collection.liquid and paste that here. Okay, here we need to replace featured collection with rich text section. So let's do that quickly. And I think everything's gonna be okay with that. Okay, so our background color is section settings background color. Let's check if we have the same ID. Okay, so the ID is different. Just copy this ID and paste that here. Okay, all other settings are the same. So we have in the block, we have h2 tag. So let's replace this h1 with h2 tag. Here we are using rich text. So this rich text generates some kind of HTML. I mean, when you add text content with that, I mean when you add content at the back end, so this will generate paragraph, bold tags, etc. What we need to do is we are going to target the paragraph in this section. So let's copy this text content and go here in the rich text section ID, just paste this class, and in this class we are targeting p tag. Okay, the color would be font color. And then for the mobile devices we have padding setup. Let's copy this and paste that here. For our mobile devices, the font size would be, let's say, 22 pixels. Okay, let's make that fixed. So I think everything is set up here. Let's save that. Let's go to our theme customizer and add. Now click on this add section and choose this rich text. Click here. You can see we have the settings here. Let's change the background color to black. It's working. And font color to, let's say, white. Let's change the font size to be, let's say, 30 pixel. And choose the secondary button here. Let's add padding. For the desktop, let's say 40. Let's add primary button. Okay, you can change the color of this button. We will do that later. And for the mobile devices, the padding would be this. Now I want this to be centered align. Let's save that. And let's go to our code. So you can see we have this flex div. Let's make it justify center. So this will center this div. And for this, we are going to use text center class. And for our heading, we are also going to use text center. So let's save this and check on the front end. Open FitGear Emporium. So let's go to our rich text section. So everything is saying up to date. Let's style this button a bit. So let's add some padding, T3, and text white. Let's save that and refresh on the front end. So you can see we have beautiful rich text section here. So if you want, you can go at the customizer. You can change the position of your blocks. Okay, so you can place that anywhere you want. So this is the benefit of using blocks. You can drag and drop the position of your block. So let's see what we can do. If you want, you can change the width of your block container, but I'm happy with the max W5XL. So if you want to change, if you want to add any option, remove any option, or you want to add more customization for the user, so you are free to do that. So this is it for today's video. And in this video, we have successfully created a rich text section that is highly customizable and styled with Tailwind CSS. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.